how to turn off live notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off live notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find the live notifications and click on it. Here you will find it. All you need to do is just click on live notifications, one click, and as you see it have been turned off. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.